With sales engagement, what you can do is you can create a cadence that you'd like someone to go through when they're reaching out to prospects. And what happens is we're going to say we want a specific set of steps to happen. We want you to leave a voicemail first, then we want you to send an email, then we want to try another voicemail, and then we're following up with this last email, and then you can add people to that. So what we do is we'd create our own type of cadence. And you can see we've got a couple different steps here. So we're going to modify this cadence so you can see what the steps actually are. And again, we're into another flow chart. What we're doing is we're saying on day one, we're going to leave a voicemail. What voicemail are we going to leave? Well, we've got some call scripts in our system and we're going to leave this new prospects one. And then after that first call, we're going to send an email. What email? Well, we've got this email template. And then that afternoon, we'll follow back up once more with a phone call just to see if anyone picks up. But if not, we'll just wait till tomorrow. We'll do the same thing again. Now, it doesn't just have to be phones and emails. Check this part out. So if after the email, I wanted to do something again, I want to use my LinkedIn license, send a connection request, or send out an InMail. So you can start natively integrating with Salesforce and send out connection requests and InMails. So on my work queue as an individual recruiter today, I added a number of different people. This is my same cadence that I wanted to initiate contact with new prospects. So I'm going to start with Ellen here. And now I can pull up Ellen's contact information with a single click right here. I'm going to start making my phone calls. And you can see what popped up. First, it gave me a place to take notes on this call, and it gave me my script that I need to go through. I'd go through and say, all right, I just left voicemail, I guess. And then I'll click save and watch what happens in the background. Ellen was moved off. We immediately were moved to Ethan here, and now I can call Ethan. And with a click, I'm back in calling Ethan. Here's the stuff that we talked about. Save it. And now Ethan's moved off and he's moved to that next step. So you can see that all these things are just automatically happening. And all this is happening for me because of all the automations we built with that cadence. So that's the really quick way to start automating all your reach outs for your recruiters or your salespeople. It's through this sales engagement tool inside Salesforce, where they can just immediately log in for the day, see their list of people, make all their phone calls and emails, and they're